what I have done, because when I first started this, I hadn't dug my old molds out and I wanted some snowflakes. So what I did is I said, hey, I need some snowflakes. I want to make these out of isomalt. I really like these. They're really cool looking. So what I did is I took my gum paste, or you can do it with fondant too, and I rolled it out and I cut it and pumped it out and got a piece of gum paste, okay, like this. Okay, let it dry, let it get hard. That's why it's hard now. Okay, so let it get hard, and then once it was hard, I could take my amazing putty and you take equal parts. That wasn't very equal, was it? Equal parts of each. I get this at my local craft store, but you can certainly use the silicone putty that Dominique sells that make your own molds. You can use that too. They're both food grade. Okay, so you take equal parts of this. Make sure you've got enough to, okay. Mix it together. You have about a, I don't know, 3-minute work time or something like that. The warmer it is, the shorter your work time. So if you need a longer work time, put the mold, the putty in the refrigerator and chill it, and then mix it, and then get it out and mix it together like I'm doing. It gives you a little slightly longer work time. Okay, so I knead it in. Don't knead it too long. Roll it to get all the creases out of it. Okay. And then I'm going to kind of flatten it out. Is it big enough? Almost big enough. Let's do the other one. Obviously, it's not quite big enough. And press it in. Okay. Like so. So it's pressed in. All right. Pressed in like that. Let it sit for about 20 minutes. And then it'll come out. Like that. Or if you do a bigger one, like that. Okay. I also took some of this putty and just used my cutter with it. Actually just rolled it out and cut it out like this. Like pretending it was gum paste, and let it harden up. So now I've got these little rubbery snowflakes, these little silicone snowflakes, and we're going to use those too. So again, I just rolled it out. I don't know if I can do that. You got to be careful with it though. You don't want to get it stuck in your cutter. Okay. Looks pretty good. And you can just roll, you can roll it. Obviously I'm not rolling it. But you could take it. It's gonna have to be a little bit more. Cut it down, plunger it so that the imprint gets on there. See? And then push it out. Gently peel it off. Let that sit for 20 minutes and it'll be a nice little hard rubbery mold like that. So let's move this stuff aside.